Today we will see another important concept as MongoDB administration and security. Managing a MongoDB database involves tasks like maintaining database health, optimizing performance, and ensuring data security. MongoDB provides robust tools and features for administration and security. We will go one by one. We will first MongoDB see administration tasks. MongoDB administrators are responsible for database setup, maintain, monitoring, and optimization. Key administrative tasks includes database management. In database management, we create a drop database. We use and db drop database command to manage database. Here we can see use my database. We want if you want to drop particular database, we use db dot drop database. Switch or create drop or current. Manage collection. Create a drop collection with create collection and drop. Here we can see db dot create collection of users and we are going to drop that collection also. In index management, indexes improves query performance by reducing the time needed to locate document. Create an index. db.user.create an index ascending order. List index db.users get indexes. Drop an index. If you want to drop index particular index, we use db.users drop index with particular database. For backup and restore, for backup data, we use command mongodump utility to backup databases. This is command mongodump -out backup mongo data. Restore data means use mongo restore utility to restore backups. Mongo restore, it is a command. With the help of we can restore our data. Like after that we will go through the concept monitoring and performance tuning. Use the MongoDB Atlas monitoring dashboard or command line tools like MongoStat and MongoTop. These are the few commands. Monitoring metrics like query execution time, memory uses, how much memory we have used, and disk I/O. Then we will go to the some important concept in MongoDB like MongoDB security. MongoDB provides several features to secure data and prevent unauthorized access. Like that, only authorized persons can gain access to the data. For that, we use authentication. Authentication ensures that only authorized users can access the database. To enable authentication, add --auth to MongoDB startup command or set security authorized to enable the configuration file. Create an admin user via C. Use admin, creator, db, create user, collection with user admin password like that, rows, user admin, database, db admin. Authenticate as admin. db.admin. We are using this command to authenticate admin. Role based access control, that is RBAC. MongoDB uses role to control access. Each role grants a set of permission. Create a user with a specific role. Use my database db.create user read write user password. We have mentioned this password and role. This role we have mentioned in the database, my database. Common and built-in roles is read, allow read only access, write, allow read and write options. DB admin grant administration rights for database. Cluster admin means grants administrative rights for the cluster. We'll grow through the concept of encryption. Encryption ensures data security during storage and transit. In transit injection, use TLC SSL to encrypt communication between MongoDB instance and clients. At rest in picture. Use MongoDB encrypted storage engine to encrypt data at rest. IP whitelisting. Restrict databases access to trusted IP address only. In MongoDB Atlas, configure IP access through the network access setting in the Atlas dashboard. Now, auditing means enable auditing to track users' action and database operations. Security best practices. These are some security best practices. Disable open access. Avoid binding MongoDB to all IP address. Restrict into specific IP or hostname using. This is use strong password. Enforce strong password to all users. Keep MongoDB updated. Regularly update MongoDB to latest stable version for security patches. You will get security patches automatically when we update to MongoDB to latest version. Limit privilege. Assign roles with minimum privilege required. Firewall configuration. Use firewalls to restrict access to MongoDB ports. Now we can see practical examples. Secure MongoDB deployment. Scenario is deploy a secure MongoDB for e-commerce application. For that authentication, enable authentication in configuration file. Security authentication enable. Create a user. We have seen earlier. Use e-commerce. Create user, app user, password, secure password, roles, read and write, DB, e-commerce, which I have mentioned here. Configuring IP listing. Allow access only from the application server IP. Backup and monitor also we have seen. So today we have seen MongoDB authent administration and security.